Hey guys, so you install eyelashes with me. I'm a little bit boring. Then I said, okay, let me install eyelashes. I tried it once, so ever since then I like installing myself, but at least it will take 1 week. So I do it before, it was counting, like I said, let me add to it. Then I just have to add to it to make it more full. So that is what I'm doing. So you can see this one is full. This one is full, and this one is scanty. So I'm still adding. This is what I just want to do today. Go back. My hair is rough. I'll go and do it soon, but I don't know this time. Right now I feel like making my hair really because of I'm more free than a wig, so I should still add to this one. I'm more free than a wig. If I want to go down, I just put on my clothes, just rush and go down. I'm not scared like, oh, I have to comb my hair, I have to do this to my hair. It's very, very, very easy for me. So guys, here is the final look of the eyelashes. Let me bring it down. It's not dry yet, so I can take this for 1 week. So how is it, guys? Thanks for watching. It's not dry yet. We just blow it, let it dry. Then I will apply this glue. Then I will apply this one. It's good to go.